Today we're diving into the world of high-speed display cables with the bifailed DisplayPort fiber optic cable. This isn't your ordinary cable. It's designed for the future of visual technology. Offering a stunning full 8K resolution at 60 Hz, it ensures crisp, detailed images over long distances, making it ideal for setups where quality and reliability are paramount. What sets this cable apart is its capability to handle 4K resolutions at impressive refresh rates of 165 Hz or 144 Hz, thanks to its high bandwidth of 32.4 gigabits per second. This makes it perfect for gaming enthusiasts or professionals who demand smooth, lag-free visuals. The construction combines 4-core optical fiber with 7-core copper conductors, ensuring not just speed but also durability. Flexibility is another standout feature. Despite its advanced technology, the cable remains remarkably slim and flexible, with an outer diameter of just 0.189 inches for 0.8 millimeters. It's designed to withstand over 1,000 bends at 90 degrees, guaranteeing longevity even in tight setups or frequent reconfigurations. Compatibility won't be an issue either. It works seamlessly with a range of devices including PCs, graphics cards like GeForce GTX and Radeon series, HD TVs, monitors, and projectors. The plug-and-play setup means you can connect your devices without hassle, instantly enjoying the benefits of high-speed data transmission. Temperature tolerance is impressive, ranging from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable performance in various environmental conditions. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, offering peace of mind against any potential quality issues. In conclusion, the bifailed DisplayPort fiber optic cable is not just a cable. It's an investment in future-proofing your visual experience. Whether you're a gamer, a creative professional, or simply someone who values high-quality visuals, this cable delivers on its promises of speed, durability, and compatibility.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.